Hi there, students. Sidelight, a countable noun, but also a verb. Okay, let's see. A sidelight is a light placed at the side of something. So you've got a central focus and maybe a light at the side. This would be a sidelight. Or also, you could have a door. Yeah, and very often there are windows either side of the door. These are sidelights. Maybe the door is solid, but there are sidelights, lights either side of it to let in light. Let's see. To sidelight as a verb. The dictionaries all seem to shy away from using sidelight as a verb, but to me as a verb it sounds fine. This means to give a different view of something. So, for example, maybe there's an argument between two people. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, yes, you did. But maybe if we talk to one of their friends could give us a sidelight, could sidelight the argument, could illuminate it from the side. So give incidental information which makes what's happening much more clear. Okay, so to a sidelight, a piece of incidental information, a piece of extra information that helps you understand something in a new way. So what he said through an interesting sidelight on the event. Yeah, what he said sidelighted the event in a very interesting way. So it gave extra information so you could view this thing from a different point of view. I think maybe very often there is a war between two countries and they're fighting, and you get the position, you get a lot of information about the position of one and about the position of another. But maybe a neighbouring country could sidelight what is happening on in the conflict. It would give you a different point of view that's not doesn't belong to either party, but it's just related to what's happened. So to sidelight here gives the idea of to illuminate from the side. Okay, and this is the idea of to sidelight. So let's see, sidelights. Yeah, you're driving your car. Your car, it has great big headlights, and then it's got little sidelights, little ones on the side. These are on the side. Yeah, and these are the lights at the side. Or a door. You have a door, and then there are panes of glass on beside the door. These are sidelights, but both of those are quite technical. They say exactly what a situation is. Yeah, but to sidelight, to give a different point of view to something. Yeah, I think an independent opinion on a situation from somebody who is not involved either way can sidelight what is happening in a much more interesting way, and perhaps makes it more interesting. Yeah, it gives you a better view of what's happening. Okay, so a sidelight, incidental information that gives you more insight into something that is happening, something that is going on. Yeah, it's additional information, extra information from the side. So yes, let's see. If you're learning a language, it's very important to understand the vocabulary and the grammar, but you should also let your understanding of language be sidelighted by an understanding of the culture that of the people that speak that language, because this shows you the meaning from a different point of view. It's different from the grammar and the exact meaning. It says what is between the lines. Yeah, so using culture as a sidelight can help you read between the lines of actually what's being said, and that's the idea of to sidelight. So, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. Let's see. I think, is it one word? Is it hyphenated? Is it 2 words? Let's see. I think as a verb, I would use it as 1 word. I think if I'm talking about the side lights on a car, I think I might use it as a hyphenated word or as 2 words. Okay, so sidelight can also be a verb. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sidelight.